On 113 degrees. Here we go, starting a little hike to Forest Falls, San Bernardino. It's pretty hot out. It's all smoky. There's a fire on the other side of this ridge. We're going out over here around this little ridge with Craig.
Hoping not to find any baby diapers today.
Yeah, there's a lot of wild baby diapers out here. Pretty dangerous.
They crawl around and attack you.
Yeah, they're more dangerous than the bears that are out here.
Like at the old farm.
That's some good quality H2O. Here's our spot out here at Forest Falls. Pretty nice. Got Craig over there. Got a little camp set up at the waterfall. Damn, look at that. Got the GoPro set up. Got another one on a tripod. Got my backpack, got my water filter. Fresh water straight out of the waterfall. Got my flip flops for the water. Got some climbing rope. Got some climbing rope over here. Got a bunch of snacks. Over here, got a little more rope. Got a good first aid kit down there with a bunch of stuff that you might need. It's an awesome day. We're hiking out to these hot springs. It's super hard to find. You gotta know where it's at.
Yeah, this is sacred Indian ground, Arrowhead Hot Springs. 220-degree water, kind of left like caveman style. There's a lot of brush and bush and animals, snakes and poisonous shit. And we're some of the few that are making it back here.
So here we are at this hot spring, just coming out of the ground, super hot. Whoa, 220. Craig says 220 degrees. It's just steaming. Right now it's probably 90 degrees outside, and this stuff is still steaming. Here's another little spot. Tell us what it is, Craig.
Got hot water going on right here. There's a cold water, hot water, natural spring. Everything's totally natural.
So all the water right there is cold?
This is a cold water spring coming out up top of the mountain. That's a hot water spring coming out of the mountain.
Yeah, that one's hot.
Meeting right here.
So you get your choice, cold water, hot water. Right here, I got water. It's really cold, really refreshing, super nice. And over here, you got water. Fuck, it's so hot. You can barely even put your hand in there. So you just got this hot spring water coming out, meeting this cold water.